I represent Anambra Central Senatorial District. Mr. President, I come under Order 41, Matter of Urgent Public Importance, and Order 51. May I read, Mr. President? May I read the orders?
Please proceed.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. President. The matter for discussion shall, if possible, be referred to the President of the Senate before commencement of the day's sitting, and the President of the Senate shall refuse to allow the claim unless he is satisfied that the matter is definite and urgent. Order 51, notice shall not be dispensed with in the case of a motion or in respect of any other proceeding for which notice is required except with the consent of the President of the Senate and the general consent of the senators. Mr. President, I approach you this morning to tell you that the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Right Honorable Agunwa Anaekwe, who was the Speaker of the House of Representatives between 1992 and 1993, during the military regime of General Sani Abacha. No, during the regime of Ibrahim Babangida. He died on Sunday, the 6th of July, 2025. And with leave and permission of Mr. President, I would like to bring a formal motion in this respect, the next legislative day being tomorrow, if you kindly approve, so that I bring a motion to the Senate to talk about him, because he served this country as the Speaker of the House of Representatives. I so seek, Mr. President.
Okay, so you come by way of substantive. You come by way of substantive motion. Well, if you had consulted the oracle of the Senate, one of the ancestors, Senator Abaribe, you would have gone ahead today. But since you said tomorrow, then we are bound to agree. Is it the wish of the Senate that he be allowed to proceed tomorrow? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Okay, so tomorrow, Leader of the Senate.